guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be installing the KC Gravity Pro 7 LED headlights in the Jeep. So this is not going to be a technical review of these headlights at all. There's plenty of other videos out for that. They have a couple patents on them that are state-of-the-art. What I was looking for though was a headlight that was tough, would last, wouldn't be broke by a rock chip or a branch out on the trail, had good venting so it wouldn't fog up, and were also water resistant or waterproof. So that gave me all these things and the ease of a plug and play product. Like I said, check out the other videos from a lot of other people. Extreme Terrain has a good one talking about the specs of this. What I'm going to do today is see how easy it is for your common person with not a lot of tools to install these headlights. I think it got like a 1 or 2 wrenches. It's supposed to not be very hard. Really like 6 clips, 4 screws per light, and it should plug in and be done. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started.
close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Light me up, can't get enough. Take your time, just do it right. We will rise to the skies, 'cause we ain't done till we hit the sun. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Baby, you light me up.
It really didn't
I
take
just
too
can't
long.
get enough, 'cause I need your fire. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise.
Okay, so that was it. That was a really easy install, and it's an upgrade that I've been wanting to make for a few years now. That is done. This is going to be my last video of the year. We put out 6 videos this year. Things were really looking up at the beginning of the year. We had planned for a couple months for our first trip in March to Big Bend National Park. We did take that trip over spring break, but whenever we came back, COVID happened. So we were kind of shut down. We made one other trip over the summer, and I think I did like one other install. We only put out 6 videos this year, but hopefully that's going to be turning around really soon. Anyway, I think the Jeep's coming a long way, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If not, don't. And I'll see you later. Bye.